Hello, I'm Gary. I'm on the It's Cooler Plus login page. I've already logged in an hour ago. I've just come back to it, and I'm still in Twitter and Google Plus here. So I just press enter. There we go. And we're going in now. We're going in, boys. And here we go. I've got Twitter, Google Plus, and YouTube open. If I open these, bring them up full screen, and then we'll see where we go from there. I've preset my likes. I've only got 3 likes at the moment on YouTube, but let's play some Steely Dan. Play some Steely Dan, all the videos come up. And what should we play? Let's play this. There we go. That's on the one screen situation. I'm going to open the sound so you can hear it. There we go. Black Friday comes. Classic rock. Anyway, not everyone likes that. In my settings, I can have 3 screens going at once. So, what else have I got here? I've got Tottenham Hotspur actually. So I'm going to open this video here and bang, another screen opens. I close the, I mute it. And there we go. So I'm listening to music. I'm watching another video. I can obviously unmute one and mute the other. Now if I open this here, go to this link here, it takes me to my news feed. Let's try and open a news feed here. In my third box, I've got this news feed, Wales Online. It was just pretty random. I mean, we can select any country and thousands of news supplies. What's this? Got to accept some cookies here. So now what I have is 3 screens. I could have 4 screens. We're going to leave it at 3. Now, if I want to share this to Twitter, almost instantly, there we go. I open that. I share it. Tweet. There we go. This is to my own Twitter account. If I come back here and refresh this, it should be on there already. We shall see. Come on, come on. There we go. Tom Young, Cardiff Airport has unveiled its vision for the next 20 years. So that's that. I could, if I go back up to my, I could share this as well, as it happens. I could share this to I share this to Twitter while we're here. Let's put Great Steely Dan. Great Dan. Click to send post. Now I could have multi-clicked that to all my social media accounts if I wanted. So successfully posted. It comes up. And where did I post that? To Twitter. If I refresh that, it should come up. Hope it doesn't play, otherwise we have lots of. There we go. It's come up there. Now I decide suddenly I want to go to Google. Here we go. And Google custom search. We're on here. I want to do Thai Airways. Bang. I open Google. There we go. We got Google open. So if I stroll down, I've got Google open. I'm playing a video. I'm playing 2 videos. I've got a news feed from Wales. I've got all my social media open, and I've got my selected news feeds that I can change at a moment's notice. If I go back into news feeds, I can just change. I can get UK news or American news or whatever. That is the beginnings of Google Plus. We've got TV streamer coming. We've got Facebook coming soon. We've got external email coming. There is no end to what It's Cooler Plus can do. Possibly known as the next gen web browser. Thank you very much for watching.